Here's question 2 in the exam. A concrete step is 150 centimeters long, 20 centimeters high and 30 centimeters wide as shown in the diagram below. So you can see it there. Find the volume of the step, give your answer in centimeters cubed. So pretty easy question here. There's your formula for the volume of a rectangular solid, length by width by height. There's the length, 150. There's the width, unusually given to you in an unusual place. Normally you might see it over here. And the height then is 20 centimeters of the step. So you fill them in and basically you get 90,000 centimeters cubed. So that was part 1, easy marks. Part 2, to reduce the weight of the step. So what we're going to do is we're going to bore a hole in the step and we're going to remove 5 cylinders of concrete as shown in the diagram below. So each cylinder of concrete that is removed has a radius of 6 centimeters and a height of 30 centimeters. So what we need to do is we need to find the volume of one of the holes, which is of course a cylinder, pi r squared h. We know that the radius is 6, the height is 30. Plug in those values and we'll end up getting 1080 pi centimeters cubed. Now I'm just going to leave it in terms of pi because it's just easier to work with for the moment. So that's the volume of one hole. Of course we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5 holes. So we have 5 of them. We're going to multiply 5 by 1080 pi and we end up getting 5,400 pi centimeters cubed. So to find the volume of the remaining volume of the step, it's the volume of the overall step, which we found in part 1, minus the volume of the 5 holes. So the volume of the step in part 1 was 90,000 centimeters cubed, minus the volume of the 5 holes, which was 5,400 pi. Get your calculator, plug it in, there's the answer. And of course it says correct to 1 decimal place. So find out the 1 place after the decimals, identify where to round, look at the digit on the right, and this is going to be an answer of 73,035.3 or 73,035.4. Of course this decides whether we round up or down. So 5 to 9, climb the vine, and our answer is going to be 73,035.4 centimeters cubed.